If you aren't using Amazon Attribution, you're literally just throwing money away. We don't want that at all. So if you're running off-site ads, we know that Amazon ads sometimes aren't enough. If you want to get to the next level, TikTok ads, Facebook ads, even having an influencer that's promoting one of your links to your Amazon product, that's how to get external traffic to Amazon and increase sales. The problem that a lot of sellers were having is you can't track it. If somebody pushes tons of customers to Amazon, how do you know it's coming from the ad, right? And that's where Amazon Attribution comes in. There was a problem, and now the solution is there's a special tracking method. It's a free measurement tool for non-Amazon marketing performance. So you can track and see what's the customer doing. Are they purchasing it? And have like a kind of back-end external tool that Amazon offers for free, which is super nice. And you don't have to do, again, like I said, you don't have to do it with Facebook ads. You could just have it in your Instagram bio, right? Just have the special link. People click on it, it goes to Amazon, and then pretty much Amazon provides all the tracking information for you, which is really nice. So if you log into Amazon Seller Central, you're going to go to advertising right here, and then you're going to go to, let's see, measure non-Amazon ads right here. Once you're there, you're going to see this Amazon Attribution. Boom, click on that, visit the advertising console. It tells you about it a bit. I kind of just explained it, right? And you can create a campaign. Let's say we're just going to make one really quick, create manually. And then you're kind of just going to fill this in. It's going to have like this. I'm going to do the Facebook test, right? Put your one item, put your ad group name, publisher, Facebook, channel, and what the click-through link is, right? And then boom, Amazon makes it for you. And here's their attribution tag. And they give you this long tag. You put this in the Facebook ad. So it's in the back end of the Facebook ad. When somebody clicks on it, now what happens is it's being tracked by Amazon. And Amazon is going to have all that data to give you. They're going to have a lot of data, which is awesome. And this is pretty much how to input the attribution tag into Facebook ads, right? It's just going to be pretty much, there you go. There's a simple ads website URL field or the advanced tracking URL parameters field. So up to you and how you want to do it, but definitely check it out. It's not that difficult. It may look difficult, but it's not. But the biggest thing is the 6 ways to use Amazon Attribution, right? There's a couple more, but these are the 6 ways. It's number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, and number 6. But I got a little bit of an image for you, right? It's not perfect. It's going to help you understand the on Amazon journey. So how are they converting? If we come back here, for your marketing campaigns, linking to your product detail pages or store whenever they spend time, you can glean insights on how the campaign helps customer discover or consider your products and leads to conversion. You can review how many views you're getting, how many add to carts you're getting, sales, and then use these insights to see, hey, maybe the Facebook ads are working or maybe they're not working, right? So that's going to be the first one. The second one is going to be identify new high value opportunities, right? So you can leverage insights and inform new marketing strategies to identify new opportunities to remarket, cross-sell, or promote new products, helping you improve your sales, right? Because what it's telling you is it's going to tell you after they purchase your product or they buy your product or add your product to cart, Amazon's actually going to tell you for the first time what else they're clicking on. So what other items are they buying after? They're literally going to give you all that back-end tracking because you gave Amazon this, which is really nice. You can see, okay, now they're ordering this. Oh, wow, customers who order our gum also order this special toothbrush or this special teeth whitening, right? And it kind of goes hand in hand. You wouldn't think about it. And maybe if you had gum with the teeth whitening, right? And then we got number 3. It's going to be test creative messaging and tactics. Use attribution tags across the marketing elements you'd like to test and use the results insights to identify which creatives, messages, publishers, or strategies to make most impact. Optimize campaigns in flight. Amazon Attribution allows you to quickly pinpoint which campaigns are working and adjust them accordingly. Pretty easy because you're able to see the data very quickly when it's coming in. Learn more about your customers, right? Put the tags in your social media posts that link to your store and product pages. You can gather insights into how your followers shop with your brand whenever they spend time. With display ads, you can retarget your audiences who have clicked on your non-Amazon ads. So it's also going to kind of like, Amazon's going to know who the customer is and like save them internally, and then you can remarket to them on Amazon. So there's going to be a lot of different things that you can do. Yes, it's a bit difficult to initially set up, or it kind of seems a little, not intuitive, but it does help having that extra tracking. I mean, it's pretty much essential. If you don't know where the orders are coming from, that's a no-go. And you can see they've optimized, pretty much people who've implemented this properly have seen an 18% increase in new to brand sales, which is huge. That's what you want. We have new people buying your brand. I mean, that's it in a nutshell. So if you did want to go off of Amazon, that's pretty much the way to do it. If you're using ads, TikTok ads, Facebook ads, you want to be able to track that to the best of your ability. And Amazon's giving you a little bit back that can help you in your Amazon journey. But that's it. If you need help on Amazon, we are experts. The link's right in the description to contact us or schedule a call. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of BHP Consulting Group, signing out.